Have you ever found yourself staring at your Newton app, wondering how on earth you're supposed to get started? Well, fear not, because today, we're going to unravel the mystery of logging into Newton. Context building. Newton is a powerful investment platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But before you can dive into the world of investing, you need to know how to access your account. Step-by-step guide. Opening the app. Start by locating the Newton app on your device. Tap on the app icon to open it. Entering your credentials. You'll be greeted by a login screen. Enter your registered email address or username in the provided field. Next, type in your password. Verification. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code. This code is typically sent to your phone via SMS or generated by an authenticator app. Logging in. Once you've entered the correct credentials and verification code, if applicable, tap on the login button. Troubleshooting common issues. If you're having trouble logging in, here are a few common issues and their solutions. Incorrect credentials. Double-check your email address, username, and password for any typos or errors. Forgot password. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Two-factor authentication issues. Ensure you have access to the device or app used for generating your verification code. App glitches. If you're still experiencing problems, try restarting your device or reinstalling the Newton app. Additional tips. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. If you're having ongoing issues, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support for assistance. Conclusion. Logging into Newton is a straightforward process that should only take a few minutes. By following these steps and troubleshooting common issues, you'll be able to access your account and start investing. End hook. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.